Hey, what's going on? Robert Henderson actually here, about to drop a video for you guys. This video is just a motivational video. Actually wanted to drop something for you guys in 2021. I know I've been out and about, know I've been missing in action. So a lot of you guys are trying to figure out what was going on with me. I'm still here, guys, still dropping this hot fire. 2021, let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's a beautiful day in Zumunda. People who've seen that movie will get it. Beautiful day out here. About to get my workout on, man. Tired. Been a long day, but I have to keep pushing. Got to keep pushing myself and get to where I want to go, goal-wise, as it relates to my physical physique. Pretty much in shape, but got some workout goals. But none the least, guys, here goes. Got a question for you. In the next 5 years, where do you see yourself? In the next 5 years, where do you see yourself? Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Ask yourself that question. Now, if you automatically know, then that's good. If you automatically know where you see yourself in the next 5 years, that's good. That's real good. Sorry, guys, this sun is reflecting because the sun is going down. But if you automatically know where you're going to be in the next 5 years, that's good. If you have no freaking clue where you're going to be in the next 5 years, I want you to ask yourself, are you currently happy? Now, let's say if you know where you're going to be, or if you don't know where you're going to be, in the comment section, if you're currently happy, say happy. And what I mean by happy is you're happy where you are right now in relation to your 5-year goals. If you're not happy, say not yet. So if you're happy, say happy that you're in progress to your 5 years goals. If you're not happy, just say not yet. Why am I asking you to comment in the post or comment on the video? It's very important, and not necessarily so my views can get up or my popularity can get up, because really I don't care about none of that stuff, man. I don't care about all that stuff. That stuff don't matter to me. What matters to me is that you get to your next level in destiny. What matters to me is you become better as a person. What matters to me is that you are getting to your next. What matters to me is that you are accomplishing your goals and all you're called to accomplish and put your hands to. That's what matters to me the most. Although you guys have seen me on social media, you see me on different platforms, you see me on my website, all that stuff don't really matter to me. The only thing that matters to me is me helping individuals, what I'm called to do. A lot of people are called to other things. I know what I'm called to do. I'm called to help people. I'm called to get somebody, I'm a bridge. I'm called to get somebody from one point to another place. See, a bridge is sturdy, a bridge is strong. A bridge is called for different things. A bridge gets cargo from one destination to another. Without a bridge, it would take someone longer to get to their route. Are you a bridge? Are you a burden? Ask yourself that question. Are you a bridge or are you a burden? I know I'm a bridge to help people get to the next level. I know that's what I'm called to do. Help people get from one place to another place quicker, faster. See, you can go places and you can get around in some instances without going over a bridge. But some instances, the reason why there's a bridge is it gets you somewhere quicker. It helps you bypass something. It gets you to the next. It crosses you over some water, some terrain. It gets you over a mountain or through a mountain. It gets you over a busy road into a different highway. A bridge gets you to the next level. I'm called to be a bridge. Are you a bridge or a burden? So in the comments, I want you to write a bridge if you're a bridge, or a burden if you're a burden. So I want you to write, if you're a bridge, I wanted you to write bridge in the comment section. Bridge. If you're a burden, don't write anything. So if you're a burden, that means if you don't comment, that means you're a burden. If you don't comment on this video, that means you're a burden, and I know you're a burden because you didn't comment. So if you're a burden, don't write anything. If you're a bridge, write bridge. See, there's somebody, if you're a bridge, there's somebody who is there that you need to help if you're a bridge. And guys, if you're wondering, I am extremely tired, but I need to get my workout on. I'm pushing to get there. I've been extremely busy this last couple months, so that's why I look like this. But if you're a bridge, you are called to get somebody from point A to point B. But here's the thing. If a bridge is not built, people wait. And people have to go the long route until the bridge is built. And people can get to point A to point B a little bit quicker when the bridge is there. See, there's some people waiting on you to do what you're called to do because you're a bridge. You are a bridge. You are there to get them from point A to point B. You're a bridge. See, without you, some people will go the long route. So guys, if you're a bridge, what I need you to do is be the bridge. Be the person that you're called to be, because someone is waiting on you. You don't have time to get everything together. You don't have time to say, oh, Robert, I don't have the car like you have. Oh, Robert, I don't have the resources you have. Oh, Robert, I'm not the person that you are. I can't just speak in the microphone like you can. Robert, I just don't know if I can do this. I can't get a website. I can't do the quality that you do. Oh, Robert, I don't know how to do all this. Listen, guys, listen. Escuchen. Listen, Linda, listen. Stop making excuses, because excuses are useless. Excuses are useless, man. It's simple tools or monuments of nothingness. Stop making excuses, guys. Excuses are useless. Stop doing it. Because here's the thing. If you want to get to the next level, if you want to be a bridge, so looking at the comments, looking like some of you guys are a burden because you didn't write bridge in the comments. So hey, that's on you. If you're a burden, you're a burden. If you know you're a burden, hey, you're a bridge. Either you're a bridge or you're a burden. One of the two. So if you're a bridge, write bridge in the comment section. If you're a burden, don't write anything. So pretty much what I'll know is when I look at my view count and I don't see any responses, that means you're a burden. And hey, that's where you are right now. There's nothing wrong with being a burden at this point if that's what you are. But if you're a bridge, someone is called to help people to get one place to one place, then hey, write bridge. But I want you to think on this all week. Either you're a bridge or you're a burden. If you are a burden, how do you become a bridge? You think about how you can help people. See, a lot of people have all the resources and all this stuff, but here's the thing. They're not trying to help anybody. They're just a burden. They're not bringing value to society. They're a burden. They're not trying to help anybody else. They're a burden. They're not trying to get anybody to the next level. They're a burden. They have all the information. They're getting all the things. They're getting all the resources, but they're not trying to help anybody else. They're a burden. The question is, are you a bridge or a burden? Once again, guys, please, I'm not sure where you got this from. If someone sent you this video, if you're watching live, if you're watching on YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo, I'm not sure where you got it from. If you got it from your email, here's what I want you to do. If this content gave you value, I want you to forward it to a friend. Also, depending on where you got it, like the video if you like it. Also, I thank you so much for tuning in. You have a wonderful week.